In Germany, mashed potatoes aren't loaded with cheese. Some are pink, some fruity, and some deeply rustic. Let me show you the 3 wildly different German potato mashes, along with other possible combinations at the end of this video. The dish is made by frying onions and corned beef together, adding some beetroot and pickles as well. The whole mixture is then mixed with mashed potatoes. This practical food became a tradition in northern Germany, and you can find it in almost any fish restaurant there. I love serving it with a pickled herring, so-called rollmops, additional pickle slices, a bit of the beetroots, and the fried egg on the top. Long journeys meant limited fresh ingredients, so everything had to last. Herring, pickles, beetroot, potatoes were perfect for storage. It looks unusual if you've never seen it before, but the flavor is rich, savory, and slightly sweet. Really surprisingly balanced. Would you try this bright pink mashed potato dish? Now we move to Rhineland, and here we have heaven and earth, the fruity potato mash. Let me explain. Earth stands for potatoes that grow underground, and heaven stands for apples hanging from the trees. Very poetic in German. The dish dates back to the 18th century and reflects the time when the rural families rely on what they could grow and store through the winter. Potatoes and apples were both staples. There are different ways to prepare this dish, but one of the most popular versions suggests cooking potatoes and apples in one pot and then serving them with a fried onions on the top. Traditionally, there is also black pudding on the side. In Cologne, I also had a version where the mashed potatoes and applesauce were served separately. The same idea, just less mixed together. Germans love structure, even on a plate. The result is sweet, savory, creamy, and deeply comforting. Another unusual one, but it works. Teerdisch is less internationally known. It comes from Trier in the Mosel region, where I actually studied. This is a proper local cooking. You start with a sauerkraut that is gently cooked with onions and bacon. In Trier, it's common to deglaze or simmer the sauerkraut in wine, and not any wine, just the Riesling from the local vineyards. The wine doesn't make it fancy, it really makes it better. And then come the mashed potatoes. Everything is mixed together into the hearty mush. It's savory, slightly tangy, rich from the pork, and balanced by the touch of wine. And also, let's don't forget, it is served as well with the onions on the top. What a treat! It surely doesn't look like Instagram food, although my shooting skills aren't that bad, right? It's just designed to feed people well. In Germany, there are also few other mashed potato combinations popular. I've seen people eating potato mash with a horseradish, potatoes and celery root mashed together, mashed potatoes mixed with kale, and my husband loves his mashed potatoes mixed with the whole green peas. And if you want to know how to make the best mashed potato at home with this one secret ingredient, watch this video next.